YouTube and we want to watch a video, we get blurry images, videos like this. How can you fix it? I'm going to go straight to the point. So this is what you will do. You will click on your on your phone, and it's going to bring out settings. Go to the top right corner. You are going to see quality. So you choose the kind of quality you want. Click on it. Either you get auto, which is recommended. If you put it this way, it's going to give you a little bit of high quality that you can manage at most. You click on it again. I don't want this. You click on settings, click on quality again, and you can adjust to you are adjusted to data saver. That's the reason why it's going to give you lower picture quality. So if you can click on higher picture quality, it's going to give you a higher picture quality, and you are going to have something like this. It is so clear, and you can have to choose yourself. If you don't want to use too much data, click on advanced and click on your own specific whatever you want quality. So I can put it on 480, and it's still going to give me something good, that like this. Not as much as the best quality like this. If I go to quality and I'm clicking like okay, say I'm clicking like okay, advanced, and I click on 720p, you see this is the best quality you can ever get. So that's how you have a low quality picture on YouTube. I hope this helps. If you want me to make more videos like this, put it in the comment section. If you enjoy my video, put it in the comment section, and please subscribe and turn on post notification, because I'm going to be dropping videos every day. Thank you very much.